Hello, hello, lovers of Yoruba language. I hope you all are doing well. So, today I will be taking you through another exciting journey of learning Yoruba together. And what we'll be discussing today is family in Yoruba culture. Family in Yoruba culture. Let's go. Like in most cultures, family also consists of father, mother, and their children, but it can also involve some extended family members. So, the family is referred to as Ebi in Yoruba. Ebi, Ebi, Remi, Remi. We can also refer to it as Idile, 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 Do, Mi, Mi, Do, Mi, Mi. That's the diacritical signs. So these two words, Ebi and Idile, are used interchangeably to mean family in Yoruba. So you can say, how is your family? Which will translate to, báwo ni ẹbí rẹ? Báwo ni ẹbí rẹ? Or, báwo ni ìdílé rẹ? Báwo ni ìdílé rẹ? Both are correct way of saying, how is your family in Yoruba? Grandfather. In Yoruba, the grandfather is called Baba Agba. Baba Agba. Baba Agba. Baba here means father, while the Agba means grand. So that means the older father. So the father of my father, Baba Agba. So if the grandfather is from your paternal side of the family, that would be Baba Baba. Baba Baba here means father of my father. Baba Baba. Baba Baba. Why, if it is from your maternal side, that would be Baba Mama. Baba Mama. Grandmother. So that follows the same pattern as that of grandfather. Grandmother will be Ìyá Àgbà. Ìyá Àgbà. Instead of Iya, which is a word for mother, you can also use Mama. So we use Iya and Mama interchangeably in Yoruba to mean mother. So grandmother will be Iya Agba or Mama Agba, and both means the older mother, the mother of my parents, the mother of my mother, or the mother of my father. If it is the mother of my father, that would be Iya Baba. Iya Baba, mother of my father. While if it's your mother's mom, that would be Iya Iya. iya, iya. That could also be iya mama. That's another combination. Iya mama. That can also be mama, mama. You remember we use iya and mama interchangeably. Like I said, that could also be mama, mama or mama iya. But commonly we use iya mama or iya iya. Some can also use mama, mama. They all means the mother of your mother. Parents. Parents are referred to as Obi in Yoruba. Obi. Do me. Obi. It's as simple as that. Obi. Father. Father is referred to as Baba. 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 Mother is referred to as Iya. Iya. Remember, you can also use mama interchangeably with Iya. They both means mother. Children. Children is àwọn ọmọ. Àwọn ọmọ. Àwọn ọmọ. Child itself is ọmọ. But here we have the pluralized form of child. So whenever you are pluralizing a word in Yoruba, you put àwọn before the word to mean the plural form of that word. So children will be àwọn ọmọ. Son. Ọmọ ọkùnrin. Ọmọ ọkùnrin. Ọmọ ọkùnrin. Now I want you to pause and tell me what daughter is going to be. If son is ọmọ ọkùnrin, pause and tell me what daughter is. Yes, you are right. Daughter is ọmọ obìnrin. Ọmọ obìnrin. Ọmọ obìnrin. In the case of son and daughter, ọmọ signifies child, but the ọkùnrin and the obìnrin after the child, after the ọmọ, signify whether the child is a male or female. If the child is a male child, that is a son, that will be ọmọ ọkùnrin, a male child. If the child is a female child, as in daughter, that will be ọmọ obìnrin. Now you get the analogy, you get the reason why they are both referred to as ọmọ ọkùnrin and ọmọ obìnrin, respectively. Yes, got it. Grandchildren. Grandchildren. That would be àwọn ọmọ ọmọ. Àwọn ọmọ ọmọ. So if you want to say my grandchildren, that would be àwọn ọmọ mi. If you want to say his or our grandchildren, that would be àwọn ọmọ rẹ̀. So here the grandchild is ọmọ, but because we have the plural form of the grandchild, that would be àwọn ọmọ. The grandson, ọmọ ọkùnrin, ọmọ ọkùnrin, ọmọ ọkùnrin. This is essentially to signify that the grandchild is a male child. Ọmọ means the grandchild, but the ọkùnrin signifies that it's a male child. Again, I want you to try what granddaughter is going to be. Yay, your guess is as good as mine. Granddaughter is ọmọ obìnrin. Ọmọ obìnrin. So, if I as a grandmother is visiting my granddaughter, I will say, mo ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ obìnrin mi. Mo ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ obìnrin mi. I'm going to my granddaughter. I'm visiting my granddaughter. Mo ń lọ sí ọ̀dọ̀ ọmọ obìnrin mi. Husband, ọkọ, that would be re. That is not to be mistaken with other words that have similar spelling but different meanings. We have words like ọkọ, oko, and so on and so forth. They have the same spelling but different meaning. So husband in Yoruba is ọkọ. So if you want to say my husband, that would be ọkọ mi. Wife. The common word for wife is ìyàwó. So my wife will be ìyàwó mi. In the olden days, people use words like aya to also mean wife. So if you meet someone that is so knowledgeable in the use of Yoruba words, you hear them say aya. Aya mi means my wife. So you can use both ìyàwó and aya interchangeably to mean wife. So my wife, ìyàwó mi, aya mi, they are both the same. But the modern day people will say ìyàwó instead of aya. husband and wife, ọkọ àti ìyàwó, ọkọ àti ìyàwó, ọkọ àti ìyàwó. Well, you can replace ìyàwó with aya. That can also be ọkọ àtaya, ọkọ àtaya, ọkọ àti aya. Son-in-law, ọkọ ọmọ mi, ọkọ ọmọ mi, ọkọ ọmọ mi. I want you to try. Can you guess how the Yoruba people arrived at ọkọ ọmọ mi as a word for son-in-law? I'm waiting. Yeah, that's it. So basically, ọkọ means husband and ọmọ means child. So ọkọ is husband of child, right? So if you put me, that indicates that my child, husband of my child, ọkọ mi, husband of my child. So that's son-in-law in Yoruba. So now that you got that, I want you to guess what daughter-in-law will be in Yoruba. Daughter-in-law. Exactly. Aya ọmọ mi. Aya ọmọ mi. Well, you can also say ìyàwó ọmọ mi. Remember, we use aya and ìyàwó interchangeably in Yoruba. Aya ọmọ mi, ìyàwó ọmọ mi. In-laws, àwọn àna, àwọn àna, àwọn àna. In-law, that is the singular form, is àna, while the plural form is àwọn àna. So the plural will carry the àwọn before the àna. Àwọn àna, and that could mean the parent of your son-in-law or your daughter-in-law. They are all your in-laws, right? So they are your àwọn àna. Your àwọn àna can also include the brothers or sisters of your daughter or son-in-law. So every family member that you are associated with through marriage, refer to as your àna. Yeah. So in-laws will be àwọn àna, while in-law will be àna in Yoruba. Father-in-law, that could be bàbá ìyàwó or bàbá ọkọ. Bàbá ìyàwó or bàbá ọkọ. Bàbá ìyàwó means father of my wife, while bàbá ọkọ means father of my husband. You know, Father-in-law can be from your wife's side or your husband's side. So hence why it has to be Baba Iyawo if it is the father of your wife, or Baba Oko if it's the father of your husband. Now, what would mother-in-law be? I want you to try. Yes, mother-in-law is going to be Ìyá Ìyàwó or Ìyá Ọkọ. Ìyá Ìyàwó or Ìyá Ọkọ, depending on whether you are the wife or the husband. So if you are the wife, your mother-in-law will be your Ìyá Ọkọ, the mother of your husband. And if you are the husband, your mother-in-law will be Ìyá Ìyàwó, the mother of your wife. Siblings, àwọn arákùnrin mi. Àwọn arákùnrin mi, which literally means my brethren or my brothers. You can also say àwọn ọmọ ìyá mi. Àwọn ọmọ ìyá mi, which means the children of my mom. So you can say àwọn arákùnrin mi or àwọn ọmọ ìyá mi to mean siblings. There is no singular word that means sibling in Yoruba. You have to use the combinations of words. So if you are talking about one single person, one person that is sibling, that will be arákùnrin mi. If is a man, or arábìnrin mi if the person is a female, or generally ọmọ ìyá mi, which also means the child of my mom. So that's the way Yoruba describe sibling or siblings. Older sibling. So older sibling, whether male or female, are referred to as ẹ̀gbọ́n, ẹ̀gbọ́n, ẹ̀gbọ́n. Now, if the sibling is a man, if he's a male, that will be ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkùnrin. That is the male sibling, ẹ̀gbọ́n ọkùnrin. If the sibling is a female, that will be ẹ̀gbọ́n obìnrin, ẹ̀gbọ́n obìnrin. Younger sibling, whether male or female, are referred to as àbúrò in Yoruba. Àbúrò, do mean do, àbúrò. If the younger sibling is a male, it will be called àbúrò ọkùnrin. Àbúrò ọkùnrin, which means the male sibling. Or if the younger sibling is female, that would be àbúrò obìnrin. Àbúrò obìnrin, that is the female sibling. Brother. Brother will be arákùnrin mi. Arákùnrin mi. Irrespective of whether it's your older or younger brother, brother is always arákùnrin mi. And that essentially means my brother. My brother. So now, if the brother is the older one, that will be ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin. If the brother is younger, that would be àbúrò mi ọkùnrin. àbúrò mi ọkùnrin. Older brother will be ẹ̀gbọ́n mi ọkùnrin, while younger brother will be àbúrò mi ọkùnrin. Sister. Just like brother, sister will be arábìnrin mi. Arábìnrin mi. Arábìnrin mi. Literally, my sister. Now, if she's older sister, that would be ẹ̀gbọ́n mi obìnrin. Ẹ̀gbọ́n mi obìnrin. If she's younger, that would be àbúrò mi obìnrin. Àbúrò mi obìnrin. Uncle. So there is no singular word to represent uncle in Yoruba, but combinations of words can be used to arrive at the same meaning as uncle. So the common word combinations are àbúrò bàbá mi ọkùnrin, or just àbúrò bàbá ọkùnrin. And what that says is that the male brother of your father. The male brother of your father. So here it's written as àbúrò bàbá ọkùnrin. It can also be ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá ọkùnrin, which means the older brother of your father. Àbúrò bàbá ọkùnrin means the younger brother of your father, while ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá ọkùnrin will mean the older brother of your father. It can also be used for your mom, the uncle from your mom's side, àbúrò màmá ọkùnrin, or ẹ̀gbọ́n màmá ọkùnrin. So these word combinations can be used to describe uncle, and you can also use this same pattern to guess what aunt will be. Now try. Of course, that will be àbúrò bàbá obìnrin, or ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá obìnrin. That will also be àbúrò màmá obìnrin, or ẹ̀gbọ́n màmá obìnrin, if that is from your maternal side. So, auntie can be described as àbúrò bàbá obìnrin or ẹ̀gbọ́n bàbá obìnrin, if that is from your father's side, while it is àbúrò màmá obìnrin or ẹ̀gbọ́n màmá obìnrin, if that is from your mother's side. Nephew. Again, there is no singular word to describe a nephew, but combinations of words will also do it. So a nephew can be ọmọkùnrin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, or ọmọkùnrin àbúrò mi. Ọmọkùnrin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, or ọmọkùnrin àbúrò mi, to mean the male child of my brother. The male child of my brother or my sister. Exactly that what that describes. The male child of my brother or my sister is my nephew. So now, it may, by brother or sister, it may be the older brother, the older sister, or the younger brother, the younger sister, but they are essentially your nephew, right? So yeah, that's how to describe that. And the same principle can be applied for niece. So niece would be ọmọ obìnrin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi. That means the female child of your brother, or the female child of your sister, older brother or younger brother, older sister or younger sister. So in as long as it's their female child, that will be ọmọ obìnrin ẹ̀gbọ́n mi, ọmọ obìnrin àbúrò mi. Cousin, like the previous two words, there is no singular word to describe a cousin, but you can also say ọmọ àbúrò bàbá mi, which means the child of my father's brother or my father's sister. Ọmọ àbúrò bàbá mi, the child of my father's brother or my father's sister. Essentially, the child of my uncle or the child of my aunt. They are my cousin. So here I indicated bàbá mi to mean the uncle from your father's side, the brother of your father. But it can also mean the brother of your mom. That would be ọmọ àbúrò màmá mi. It can also mean the brother or sister of your mom, ọmọ àbúrò màmá mi. So these are the word combinations that we can use to describe cousin. Relatives. So your relatives are people that are associated with you, people that are related to you, whether through marriage or through your extended family. And they are called ìbátan or mọ̀lẹ́bí. Ìbátan or mọ̀lẹ́bí. Essentially, mọ̀lẹ́bí is usually used, but in those days, you see people using ìbátan. You still see people using ìbátan these days, but that has to be people that have very strong knowledge of Yoruba. Thank you so much for staying with me to this time. If you have any question, I want you to direct your question to me by comment, like, subscribe, share the video with your people, your folks that you think the video will be useful to. Please make sure you share it with them. Share, likes and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much for supporting me. Thank you so much. We shall see again. But for now, that